Okay, here's a tutorial in Vegas Pro version 16 on how to add a still image in the background of your video. So here in the middle we have a vertical video, and there on the two sides we have a still image. Okay, let's see how to do that. I will start from the beginning, so I will delete the lower track. Delete. Okay, so that's the video which is visible here, and that's a JPEG, a still image. So find the JPEG on your computer and drag it there below the video and the audio track of the video. So drag it there. It automatically created a track. Okay, expand it to, let's say, the end of the video. Now it's visible all over the place from the beginning to the end, till the end. Okay, we have another problem. This one, the black bars on the two sides. To eliminate those, go here to the JPEGs, event pan crop, that first button. Okay, then on this window we have position and mask. Make sure you're on position and click on the first keyframe, the top one. Okay, now uncheck this lock aspect ratio, and here in project we have this value. In this case it's 3840 by 2160. Enter that value of yours, the top one, not the preview, the smaller one. So enter this top value here to width and height. So 3840, and the next one is 2160, and press enter. Okay, now lock back this aspect ratio. Okay, left click here inside, scroll down with the mouse to zoom out. Okay, drag the end, and as you can see you can resize that photo and go inside until these black bars disappear somewhere there. Okay, so that's about it. You can close this window and we can preview it. So the vertical video is there, and below we have a still image that is not moving at all. If you want, you can blur it. You can go here to video effects, go to Gaussian blur, and grab, let's say, light blur and drop it onto the JPEG. If you want, you can increase it, let's say 300, something like that. Close it, and voila, a still image in the background of your vertical video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.